So as I was talking about, like the companies that have started doing their own voice sort of automation thing. So Mercedes have started their own like Siri kind of thing, and also,
It better be good.
yeah, hopefully. I mean, I haven't ever really seen anything about it. They're making theirs now, and BMW also doing this. BMW getting into all the voice tech right now.
What's up with cars and these voice tech stuff?
I don't know. I mean, it's like an article I read, so it's obviously gonna have a lot of detail.
They don't need this. A car is just for transportation. It's not like you want to watch a movie in the middle of the ride.
Okay, but like when people travel from like one city to another on a couple of hours commute.
Okay, yeah, like in that way, yeah, but like all these can actually distract the driver.
Okay,
and
but
at the same time, like in their health and safety things, like please concentrate, do not text and drive. Meanwhile, they're making something like Siri. They'd be like, you can talk to her.
Yeah,
him.
but
I'm not gonna be sexist.
okay, I see what you mean. But then, if you think about if you're talking, you're gonna be talking in the car anyway. Okay.
Yeah, but like, some people can get really distracted.
Yeah, but then you don't have to use it. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, like,
It's simple. Most people don't get distracted. You talk to your parents in the car, right?
Well, look, it's not just some people that get distracted. It's something in everybody. Everybody can get distracted.
Okay, but like you talk to your parents when you're in the car.
Yeah, no, yeah.
Yeah, like you.
I mean,
Does any of your car have like a monitor screen kind of thing?
No. Well, yeah, no.
Okay, but like if it, like when there's a map or something, people usually look at the screen. Now, if you have Alexa, you don't.
Yeah,
need
like when you look at the screen, you just move your eyes really fast.
Yeah, no.
But when you're talking to someone, you're just moving like, okay, turn on that. Send a text message to, like, for example, Jackie Chan. What's the time?
Okay.
Like, Jackie Chan, what's the time? And then he sends back like 9:40, and you're like 9:40, and then Alexa's like, yeah, boy, and then you'd be like, tell Jackie Chan, sorry for being late or something. Like, imagine all the stress that builds up in you. You never know what's gonna happen. Like,
Okay.
you can't just estimate people's lives, you know.
Gosh, but this
There's
is
somebody there like, where's my cocaine? And he's like,
Bro,
I don't
bro.
have your cocaine.
We gotta
Like,
keep this.
I have the money.
Okay.
It's gonna happen, I bet you.
I don't think it will happen. So yeah, now we've just learned a lot about the car industry and having voice recognition in there. But I just want to end this argument that I've been having because I was thinking if you have voice automation, then it shouldn't be distracting you because it would say turn left at this 100 meters, things like that, and then it can play music by you just talking instead of you having to go on the MP3 thing on your screen and sorting that out. So it should be easier. You don't need to move around and use your hands or look at things. Just talk. Do you agree?
Yeah, I see your point, yeah. But you always have to think about the other side too.
Okay, there's obviously.
Yeah.
I see that, but so overall.
There's gonna be more people, yeah, you know.
Yeah. So overall, do you think this is good or not? Just the voice in the car.
In general, yeah. I mean, we're improving every second, but you also have to think what you're doing to this world, like global warming. But it uses electricity. It doesn't make a lot of pollution and stuff, which is good.
You gotta
obviously,
make the money.
The newer the car, the less petrol.
Oh yeah, obviously, electric cars are coming out more and more.